Have you ever found yourself waking up in the middle of the night, around 3 a.m., wondering if there is a deeper meaning behind this quiet, still moment? Maybe you lie awake, staring at the ceiling, feeling restless or curious. What if I told you that this time is not just a coincidence or a random interruption of your sleep, but a special opportunity that Allah Himself has created just for you? Yes, waking up at 3 a.m. or during the late night hours is actually a powerful spiritual gift, an invitation from Allah to draw closer to Him and transform your life. Many people struggle with waking up at this hour. Some feel tired or confused. Others think it's just a natural sleep disturbance. But the truth is, the night holds a unique power. The hours before dawn are when the world is at its most peaceful, when distractions vanish, and when Allah's mercy is at its fullest. This is the time when sincere prayers are heard, when hearts soften, and when souls renew their connection with the Creator. Allah wants you to use this moment to strengthen your faith, seek forgiveness, and ask for guidance in your life. In fact, the Quran and Hadith teach us that waking up during these sacred hours is an act of worship filled with immense rewards. It is a time to perform Tahajjud prayer, to make dua, to reflect on your life, and to remember Allah with a heart full of hope and devotion. It is a chance to stand before Allah in solitude and speak from your heart without fear or distraction. This beautiful act pleases Allah deeply and brings peace to your soul. So today, in this special video, we will explore why Allah wants you to wake up at 3 a.m., what this time means in Islam, and how you can use it to bring blessings and success into your life. Whether you already wake up at this time or hope to start, this video will motivate and guide you to make the most of these precious moments. Please like, comment, and subscribe to Deen Xplorers to help us spread this inspiring message and bring the light of Islam to everyone. 1. The blessing of the early morning hours. The early morning hours have a unique power in Islam. These hours are not just any hours. They are moments when Allah's mercy is abundant, when the silence allows your heart to listen, and when your prayers have a higher chance of being accepted. Many of us are busy with the noise and stress of daily life. During the day, we face distractions, worries, and many responsibilities that take our attention away from Allah. But in the quiet of the early morning, distractions fade. It is as if the world itself is waiting for you to talk to Allah, to pour your heart out, to seek His forgiveness, and to ask for His guidance. Think about how unique this time is. While everyone else is resting, you have the chance to dedicate yourself to something higher. This is a moment of personal strength and spiritual growth. It is the time when your heart can feel lighter because it is free from the noise of the world. Your soul can heal and find comfort in the remembrance of Allah. And remember, it is not only about praying, but also about feeling that deep connection with your Creator, who knows your struggles and listens to your silent cries. The early morning is also a time when your mind is fresh. After sleep, your thoughts are clearer, and your energy to focus on worship and reflection is stronger. This makes your prayers more meaningful and your reading of the Quran more impactful. When you read or listen to the words of Allah in the early morning, it touches your heart in a special way. It helps you understand life better and reminds you of your purpose on this earth. Many great people in Islam, including the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, understood the importance of these early hours. The Prophet used to wake up in the last part of the night and pray. He knew that this was the time when Allah is closest and most merciful. This is why the night prayer, Tahajjud, is considered one of the highest forms of worship. It shows a person's dedication and love for Allah. By waking up at this time, you are following the example of the best of creation. Besides worship, waking up early has many benefits for your daily life. It sets a peaceful tone for your whole day. When you start your day with Allah's remembrance, your heart stays calm and hopeful. You face challenges with patience and strength because you remember that Allah is always with you. You begin to see your life differently, with more gratitude and positivity. This blessed time is a chance to ask Allah for everything you need, whether it is forgiveness, guidance, healing, or success. There is a special power in making dua at night. Allah's mercy is vast, and He is waiting for His servants to call upon Him sincerely. When you speak to Allah in the silence of the early morning, it feels like no one else is listening, but Allah hears every word. It is a moment of pure honesty between you and your Lord. Waking up early shows your love and commitment to Allah. It is a form of sacrifice because you give up your sleep for the sake of your faith. This sacrifice does not go unnoticed by Allah. He rewards those who make an effort to worship Him during the hardest times, with blessings both in this world and the next. This is your chance to build a strong relationship with Allah, to open your heart to His mercy, and to prepare yourself for the beautiful life that awaits in the hereafter. So, dear brothers and sisters, if you find yourself waking up at 3 a.m. or during the early morning hours, do not ignore this gift. Embrace it with love and dedication. Use this time wisely and watch how it transforms your life, brings peace to your heart, and brings you closer to Allah every day. 2. Why does Allah want you to wake up? Allah is the most wise and the most merciful. Nothing happens without a purpose, especially the moments when He wakes you up at night. He does not want to trouble you or make life hard for you. Instead, He is calling you towards something beautiful and meaningful. He wants to give you a chance to connect with Him in a way that is different from the busy moments of your day. This wake-up call is a gift, a sign of Allah's mercy, and an invitation to grow spiritually. One reason Allah wants you to wake up at this time is because the early hours are the best time for sincere worship and prayer. During the day, your mind is often busy with work, school, family, and many other responsibilities. There are distractions everywhere: phones, noise, people. But at night, especially after midnight and before dawn, the world is silent, and your heart can focus completely on Allah. This quiet time allows your soul to speak freely to your Creator. Another beautiful reason is that Allah wants to test your love and commitment. Waking up when everyone else is sleeping is not easy. It requires sacrifice, determination, and sincerity. Allah wants to see how much you love Him, how much you desire to grow closer to Him, and how willing you are to put effort into your faith. When you wake up for Tahajjud or for any night worship, you are showing Allah that your relationship with Him is important, and you are ready to prioritize Him even when it's hard. This act of waking up and praying also teaches you patience and self-discipline, two qualities that are essential for success in this life and the next. When you learn to control your body and mind, even in small ways like waking up early, you become stronger in facing life's challenges. Allah rewards those who practice patience and discipline with ease and blessings. In fact, life's difficulties become easier when you have trained yourself to be consistent in worship and remembrance. Moreover, Allah wants to give you a special chance to ask Him for whatever is in your heart. The early morning is the time when Allah's mercy is closest, and your prayers are most likely to be answered. Waking up at night also serves as a reminder of the temporary nature of this world and the reality of the hereafter. When you stand in prayer during the silent night, thinking about your life and your purpose, you remember that this life is short and the next life is eternal. This realization motivates you to improve yourself, to ask for forgiveness, and to prepare for the day when you will meet Allah. It helps you focus on what truly matters: your faith, your character, and your relationship with your Creator. In addition, waking up early sets the tone for your entire day. When you begin your day with Allah's remembrance, your heart stays calm, hopeful, and strong. You face daily challenges with trust and patience because you remember that Allah is with you. This early connection with Allah brings light and guidance into your life, making you more positive and productive. Allah wants you to wake up because it shows your willingness to rise above laziness and weakness. It means you are choosing to seek success in this life and the hereafter. Waking up early is not just about worshiping at night. It is about developing a powerful habit that leads to self-improvement and a closer relationship with Allah. It means you want to be among those who are loved and honored by Allah. So, if you wake up at 3 a.m. or during the early morning hours, understand that it is not a random moment. It is a special invitation from Allah Himself, a chance to change your life, earn His mercy, and grow in faith. Answer this call with love and gratitude, and watch how your heart and life transform. 3. How to make waking up easy and rewarding. Waking up at 3 a.m. or during the early hours of the night might feel very difficult or even impossible for many of us. It's natural to love our comfortable sleep and not want to leave the warm bed when the world is dark and quiet. But what if I told you that waking up at this special time can be made easy, enjoyable, and filled with blessings? In this part, we will explore how you can make waking up for Tahajjud and night prayers a smooth and rewarding habit that changes your life. The first and most important step is to have a clear and sincere intention. Your intention is the key to making waking up easy. When you remind yourself why you want to wake up, your heart becomes motivated. Tell yourself that you want to wake up to please Allah, to strengthen your connection with Him, and to grow spiritually. Another powerful way to make waking up easy is to prepare your mind and body during the day. Avoid staying up late and try to sleep early so that your body gets enough rest. If you sleep early, waking up at night becomes natural and easier because you have had enough sleep. It's important to remember that Islam encourages us to live a balanced life, including proper sleep and rest. You can also make waking up easier by making a small and realistic plan. Start with a small goal, like waking up for just 2 rakahs of Tahajjud. Don't overwhelm yourself by trying to pray long prayers right away. Small steps build your confidence and make the habit stick. Once you feel comfortable, you can slowly increase the amount of prayer or reading Quran during that time. Remember, quality is better than quantity. A sincere short prayer is better than a long prayer without focus. Using practical reminders can also help you. For example, set an alarm with a soft and peaceful sound that gently wakes you up. Place your alarm away from your bed so that you have to physically get up to turn it off. Once you are out of bed, it becomes easier to stay awake and pray. You can also make a dua before sleeping, asking Allah to help you wake up for Tahajjud. Another motivational tip is to remind yourself of the rewards and the great benefits of waking up at night. When you think about the closeness to Allah, the answered prayers, and the peace of heart you will gain, it becomes easier to leave the comfort of your bed. Visualize yourself standing in prayer, feeling Allah's mercy, and experiencing a deep connection with Him. This mental picture will inspire you to act. It is also helpful to create a peaceful and welcoming environment for prayer. Keep your prayer area clean, quiet, and comfortable. You can have a prayer mat ready and keep your Quran close by. When your environment supports your worship, your heart feels more eager to wake up and pray. Making waking up rewarding is also about appreciating every moment you spend in worship. After you finish your Tahajjud prayer, take a few minutes to sit quietly, reflect, and make dua. Feel the peace and calm in your heart. This moment of connection is the real reward and motivation to keep waking up regularly. If you miss a day or two, do not be discouraged. Allah is most forgiving and most merciful. Start again with fresh intention and hope. Consistency is better than perfection. Even small efforts made regularly bring great rewards. So, dear brothers and sisters, by having a sincere intention, preparing your body, making small goals, setting reminders, creating a peaceful space, and remembering the rewards, waking up at 3 a.m. or during the night will become easier and full of joy. This is a journey of love with Allah, and every step you take brings you closer to Him. 4. The spiritual benefits of waking up early. Waking up early, especially during the quiet hours before dawn, is more than just a physical act. It is a spiritual gift filled with countless blessings. When you choose to rise at this sacred time, you open the door to a deeper connection with Allah, inner peace, and a transformation of your heart and soul. In this part, we will explore the profound spiritual benefits that come from waking up early and dedicating yourself to Allah during these precious moments. One of the most important spiritual benefits of waking up early is the chance to experience Allah's closeness and mercy. The early morning hours are a special time when the world is still and distractions are few. This quietness allows your heart to focus entirely on Allah. Waking up early also brings spiritual discipline. By choosing to leave your warm bed and stand in prayer, you strengthen your willpower and self-control. This discipline helps you in other areas of your life, making you more patient, focused, and dedicated. It teaches you to prioritize your relationship with Allah above comfort and distractions. Another great spiritual benefit is the purification of the heart. The quiet time of early morning is perfect for sincere repentance and asking Allah for forgiveness. When the world is silent, your heart feels free to express its deepest regrets and hopes without fear or distraction. This spiritual cleansing renews your faith and fills your heart with hope. Waking up early also increases your awareness of Allah throughout the day. When you start your day with prayer, remembrance, and reading Quran, you carry that spiritual energy into every moment that follows. Your heart becomes more conscious of Allah's presence, and your actions become more mindful and purposeful. This awareness helps you avoid sins, make better choices, and live a life that pleases Allah. It creates a continuous connection that nurtures your soul and guides your steps. The spiritual benefits of waking up early extend beyond your personal worship. This time also allows you to make dua for others, your family, friends, community, and even the whole world. Making these heartfelt prayers in the blessed early hours means you are not only building your own spirituality, but also spreading mercy and blessings to those you love. This act of selflessness and care enriches your soul and increases your reward. Waking up early helps you to develop gratitude and contentment. When you witness the beauty of the early morning, the calmness, the fresh air, the peacefulness, you realize the many blessings Allah has given you. This moment inspires a deep sense of thankfulness and happiness, which is the foundation of true faith. Dear friends, waking up early is a powerful spiritual practice that brings you closer to Allah, purifies your heart, strengthens your discipline, increases your awareness, helps you pray for others, and fills you with gratitude. It is a gift that transforms your soul and your life. We have learned today how waking up at 3 a.m. is a beautiful chance from Allah to grow closer to Him, find peace in our hearts, and change our lives for the better. Remember, these quiet moments are a precious gift, so use them to pray, read Quran, make dua, and reflect with sincerity and hope. The rewards are great, and the blessings are endless. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, please like, comment, and subscribe to Deen Xplorers. Your support helps us continue sharing the light of Islam and spreading motivation to hearts around the world. May Allah bless you all and guide us to always seek Him with love and devotion.